Peace. I hope you guys are having a phenomenal day. If not, honey, look at it. If not, do understand and get that your day is going to get better once your perception gets better. Honey, I got... Okay, so today we are back at Dollar Tree, okay, and I need literally like 3 things only, okay? Let's go inside. Okay, so I could get a cart for this one today, okay, because I could get a cart. Okay, so first up, I need to get some dish detergent. Let's see if they got anything new. Alright, they got the Easter stuff over here. So over here, they have new items. The Easter basket. And oh, these cups are nice. Wait, hold on. Oh, these cups are nice. I like them because they're different. But okay, all right. These are nice. Ooh, sweet summer. Very, very nice. I like that. Remind you of when you're on the beach and they got that big, I don't know if where y'all live at, the beach where you guys live, if they have like those big jugs with the alcohol in it and then they have the straw. It reminds me of that. Okay. And then they have this. Gummy carrots. Okay. Now, honey, what the heck is... honey, what the... honey, what the heck is this over here? Oh, so I guess the candy is over here. They done moved. Well, I don't. Ooh, this looks good. Nope, we ain't doing that. Nope, nope, nope. Oh, they done moved their candy over here. I think they have probably about 2 owls. This owl over here, and then the owl over there with the other candy. But I guess this owl is pretty much themed. Like if it's Easter, they're gonna have like the Easter stuff like this. Lollipops. Oh, okay. Right. And they even have these Tootsie Rolls. Let me see. A reusable bank filled with Tootsie Rolls. Oh, okay. Look at this. My mind is telling me, yes. But my body is telling me no. Okay. So these baskets are definitely new. Okay. These baskets are $3. Oh, okay. This one over here. Remind me of just a shopping basket. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and get some Myers. And they don't have, they must be like putting the new stuff out. But these baskets are good too, like the laundry baskets. Ooh, $5, not bad at all. Okay, so I need 2 more things and then we out of here. Let me see. Okay, so I'm gonna get this Pine Glow. Okay. Honey, you can never go wrong with having enough of cleaning supplies in your darn house, okay? So I'm gonna get this, and then I gotta get some rags. Okay, so they definitely didn't have these before, these washcloths. Um, the last time I was in here that I seen. Okay, so these rags over here is 2 rags for $1.25. And then they must be just put these in here. I don't care for those. Like, I never really cared for these. These, they just look cheap. I like to get the ones from TJ Maxx or Target or one of them. Those canisters, well, toothbrush holders, they look better. Okay, so these rags right here. And honey, we doing. These glasses right here, I like these. Like, how they have like the black tint to them. I like these. These are nice. Alright, so let's go to checkout. Alright, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.